Zanfar will come. But I observed the arrogancy of some of my group mates. I mean, they give a thumb up when I say, great. He gave a thumb up.
You know them better now. More than me, at least.
Great. Okay, David, do you have anyone, I mean, who's interested to work with us somehow from your region? Anyone? David, are you there?
No, I can find.
Okay.
I say
think
to my professor about the group, but I don't have response.
No, perfect. I mean, like students or some other people or something
Okay.
like
I'm
this.
going to try
You
to
can,
find some
yeah.
other students, even
Yeah,
outside of my university. I say
yeah,
in
yeah.
my contacts on Facebook that there are some interested students in these things like lasers or physics.
Yes, sure. Find out, yeah. Because my natives, I mean, they are not very much committed. So, by the way, did you have breakfast, David? Okay. While the class, during the class? Yes. Okay, so, Fatma, are you there? Fatma, I cannot hear you. Fatma, we need to listen to you, not only messages. Fix your stuff, please. Okay, Zanfar, you are the last one. I think no one else will come.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do we start from you or David? David, you want first or what do you think?
Okay, can you hear me? Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. I'm going to start.
Zanfar, please close your mic. Zanfar.
Okay.
Okay, start.
We are going to cover the flash lidar analysis on ANSYS CMAX Optic Studio. In the last lecture, I have the task to make the cat lens enclosure, in this case, for the illumination system. I export the lens. We can export the lens on the CMAX. You go to export and then you like a step file, and then you have this program that is SolidWorks. You can open the step file, and you only have the lenses that are these gray lenses. But I do the job of make an enclosure, in this case a cylindrical enclosure, to put the lens all together. Then I configure in the non-sequential component editor, I have a source that is a rectangular source. For the lenses, we have to put some diffraction grading. I'm going to explain in this case that in the real life, even if you use a PMM material, I mean this material, PMMA, that is a plastic material, you need to use
Yes.
a
Yes.
reflective coating, because you need even with this material or with this shape of the lens, you need a, a coating to produce the diffraction pattern. So, for example, here are another, for example, another companies like Sony Deep Sense, or AMS OnRun, STM Microelectronics, or even Apple use PMNA lenses with coatings. We can see for very different companies, very different methods. Okay, so we have the source that is going to be a rectangular source, the diffraction grating, and another the diffraction grating. If we can see here, we put a diffraction grating at this beginning, and then another diffraction grating and this middle of these lenses. Then when I have the for the last time detector, when you can see here the cat part is when you open in the CMAX, you have all this part, but when you open it, you can say with when you put the rectangular source, you have the diffraction graded pattern that we are expecting. Even we can see here that the lenses are focusing the rays in a focal point. You can see here how the rays are getting to this point and then diffract again. And that is the usual characteristic of lenses. So in this case, this 3D cat figure is acting like how we expect, that is a lens that is focusing the light in a focal point and then spread out. And also we are getting the pattern that we expect in a flash lidar system, that is a cloud of points. Then we have and in the 3D version we have here the enclosure, that the cat enclosure. And if we rotate the 3D cat model, we can see how the rays are getting dispersed on the screen. For the next step, I need to do the imaging system cat lens of the enclosure. I mean the ear X or CCD sensor when this rays is going to be captured. I have a mistake here. It's like a CCD sensor, but in the real life lidar system is not a CCD sensor, because CCD sensor is coupled charge device sensor, but the sensor in a lidar system is another type of sensor. It's like a photo avalanche diode that they capture the time of flight. It's like they have all the electronics modified to, instead of capture the intensity like do a CCD sensor, the lidar sensor capture the time of flight of every pixel. And then for the final step, I need to integrate the imaging system and the reception system in one case. And this was going
You
to
mean?
be my final
Mhm.
project. Any questions? And
You
thank you
mean
for your
the
attention.
last one you said that the detector as well, huh?
Yes, yes. I have the lenses. I need to only put the cylindrical and then put all the cat system enclosure where it's going to be mounted, the illumination system and the capture system. And we can see that even with this 3D model, we are getting the same optical properties. Also, we can experiment on CMAX like fiber optics or prismas, prints on another type of lenses, photographic lenses. And we are getting that if you define the material, in this case PMMA, that is a plastic material, and you put the diffraction coatings, and you can get a very real life behavior like a optical real component, but in this case it's a simulation on CMAX.
On the left side, what it shows on the left side? The same slide.
This
Yes,
this one?
Yeah, this is the left side, other side. My left, actually, your right, maybe, I don't know. Yes, this one.
Okay, this is the pattern that we are expecting. We can see in the previous slides that we are trying to get this illumination pattern that is like this.
Okay. Yeah.
And we are expecting to, because you get this illumination pattern, you put the lights in the objects, and then the objects, the rays get back to you, and you, with the time of flight data length, and you can calculate how distance or how far are the objects, in this case, like we do in the previous talks that we have here. For example, the sphere is near to use, and the table is far from use. And then if we put in 3D dimensional pattern, we have the club of points that we can see the objects, in this case the sphere, and then the table. And the yellow one is the background at 1 meter of distance. Also, we have a little noise like these purple dots.
So your last part will be like the concluding part.
Yes, I'm trying to do the final system, that is when you put all the lenses in there respectively enclosures, and then you put all the system together, and then you have the same case. This simulation, we expect to have the same results. That is this, having the capacity of measure the distance of the objects, and this is very useful for robots, like the robots where that deactivate bombs, or even cars that conduce autonomously, these driverless cars.
Okay, so you will conclude all the results. Actually, you have to, after concluding, actually, you have to show all the results in a more systematic way, so we can understand more. Yeah.
Yes, we can.
After you concluding everything, so probably we can understand more, and we can do something with these your results. But anyway, next week you will conclude, and we'll see after that.
Okay.
Okay, so Mudassar, do you have any question, or you already left? Mudassar, are you there?
Yes, sir. There's a network problem.
I thought you already left.
No, I'm here. I was just listening. I want to ask the work you have done, whether you are doing it in sequential or non-sequential mode.
Non-sequential mode, because if I do it in the sequential mode, I cannot import the CAD files. I mean, this CAD part, if you put in the sequential mode, the CAD part step file is not present. They have another CAD parts, but not the ones that I require.
Okay.
Even when you work in non-sequential component editor, you have more components.
Yeah, it gives us flexibility to export different components as compared to sequential mode. But in sequential mode, we can simulate much more better result as compared to non-sequential, because it is very much limited. But we will see. As far as now, it's look good.
Okay, thank you very much, David. Let's move to the the light is off now. I hope he will come. So Fatma, did you fix your mic? Fatma, are you there? Mudassar, do you have anything to say?
It's going good, sir. Once we just go and you can say integrate all of the part in one, then we can see where we are going. Now,
no, but I'm asking you. No. I'm asking you. I mean, you have done something with the Fiasco
I
stuff?
started the work, but I did not get the final form yet because I'm not been able to incorporate the waveguide. Basically, the main problem was that I just put the lenses and grating as and lenses, but the problem was occurring with the waveguide. But I'm still looking for it to use any rectangular waveguide will be not possible. But I'm trying to incorporate something that can just you can say homogenize the incoming light. That is the purpose. But I did not get the much chance to work on it, so I didn't get result anything to show.
Mm.
So it is in a rough stage up till now.
Okay, so second thing, um, do you have any discussion uh, with Nabil regarding his stuff?
No, last time I just guided him to see things as maybe you are there also, but after that he doesn't give me any response whether he did that or not. So I'm just waiting for him. So
In the last meeting, he mentioned something. Did he contact you after that? You were not
no,
here in the last meeting.
yeah, I was not there, but he did not
Contact you.
share, yeah, he didn't share anything with me whether he did something regarding that or not. But
No,
I'm still
what
waiting.
exactly? I mean, he didn't even say anything about the article stuff.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. He didn't discuss the article stuff which we get. I told him to look for the console to see something unique. I just give him an idea that you can look for a crystal thickness and length specifically and temperature. Other than that, you can also look for something else. I don't know what he is doing, but I'm little bit what program. I'm not sure what kind of program he has used for those simulation because it already have been done in 3D, which was shared by the reviewers. So I don't know whether he can incorporate the thickness and temperature in his model. That's the question. But let's see what
But
he responds.
no, he was saying that he did something, but he didn't see any difference. So I don't know uh, what he wants actually.
Mm,
Uh, I was expecting that he could have contacted you. I don't.
no, he didn't discuss with me either about nothing, not the separator stuff. Last time, the separator stuff he last mentioned to me, he told me that it is not working like a splitter. I said it's okay. You just need to put the coding and see whether you when you incident one light, whether it go beyond it or not. So I don't know what he did. So he can tell me in a much better way. But for
Yeah, I
now,
don't know.
I don't have
But
any
anyway,
idea about.
yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
can you please call to Zanfar and ask how long he will be like his light stuff? Call him.
I will call him just a
Yeah.
minute. Okay.
Fatma, are you there? David, I see your posts. I mean, like you share on the LinkedIn. So mostly it's related to the electronics and photonics or this kind of things.
Yes, I am following some hardware design engineers, and then can be useful for my formation. Like I am an electronics engineer,
Mm.
they compare tutorial like books
Okay.
and diodes on operational amplifiers, and also for embedded design. The embedded design is when you make a system for a very specific task, like a microcontroller um, a vendor machine, or
Mm.
for example, like ECG for the heart to get the wave pulse of the heart.
Okay, okay.
And also, I'm taking the course of the electronic design with Altium Designer. When you do the PCB
Yes,
cards,
people.
and you can
Hmm.
put, for example, you can use an Arduino microcontroller or even a ESP32 microcontroller and do your own system like um, P, PLC or
Yeah.
even I'm trying to do an edge IoT gateway. That means that you
Hmm.
can, it's like a router or like a modem, but you put different sensor in and you process the data and then you get in the cloud. Even for agriculture purpose.
Okay. And you are also, I mean, doing something like practically as well, or
Yeah, yes, I'm doing practical designs. In this case, we start with doing linear source of power, a linear source, and then we are going to expect to do a PLC, a programmable logic controller,
yeah.
and then I'm going to present a final project, maybe the IoT edge router, but this
Okay,
is
okay,
very
okay.
complicated. And the final step is to do uh, a middle level PCBs because the higher level PCBs is when you incorporate the high speed signal and you have another properties like interference between the traces and it's more complicated and even you also take about half of year to design a PCB like that. Okay.
Mhm. So you are doing at home or where you are doing this?
I'm doing at home. I have the program. I have the student license, and I do
Okay,
here
okay.
at my computer.
So you have workshop as well? I mean, where do you do the hardware stuff?
Yes, I have a workshop. I have a maybe I can show you.
Yeah, I mean, you can have a, I mean, like a
Yeah,
visit.
yeah, yes. It's like I mean like an academy. You have here
Uh-huh.
MM Electronics. I put here and I log in and they have the recordings of the videos where are getting
Okay,
the capacitation.
okay, okay.
Uh, and then here getting the classes and
Okay.
we're getting the design. And for example, the yesterday our teacher are showing this is like this type of cards that I design, we are going to design. And this is the
Okay.
ESP32 microcontroller. It's like an Arduino, but a different competitor or different company. And you can
Mhm,
here see the Wi-Fi antenna, the radio
mhm,
frequency
mhm,
antenna.
mhm,
And here
mhm.
you have the relays and the voltage in and the grounds and another circuits. Okay.
And where will you test it?
Yes, we can test in the program or when it's finished the car, you go
Mhm,
JCLPC the um, PC. For
mhm,
example,
mhm.
there are several Chinese companies that you put the files and you get
Okay.
the PCB printed.
PCB, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. Okay, thank you very much, David.
you're welcome.
It's very nice. Yeah. So, Zanfar, are you there? Please start now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
uh, sir, let me first update you about the
Yes.
local amplifier.
Yeah.
Uh, Sir, I tried again the integration of all the circuit, but the circuit is not working. It's giving the same problem. Uh, in alternative, I searched about different components like the uh, phase sensitive detector, and also the phase shift circuit. But they work individually well. But when I integrate this to the my system, then they give these some kind of problem. So I worked hard on that, but didn't get much result. So I for a couple of days in my last week I tried these different things, but it didn't get. So I'll left for the time being, so that I will maybe for next week I will try again and get the some result.
Okay, so probably, I mean, I cannot say anything about it because you are working on it. And if you can find
Sir,
the solution, yeah.
they are, I don't know why when I integrate this to the amplifier and different components together, they giving the not desired results. So
Probably, I mean,
that's the problem.
if you use a buffer between all the stages, do you see the difference?
So, sir, we are using the operation amplifier. They are, I think, they are used as a buffer.
No, I mean separate
So,
buffers also you can try. David, do you have idea with the multisim? Have you ever worked with the multisim?
Yes, sir. I have worked with the multisim. Also, I take a last course on operational amplifiers. We can review with them if.
Yeah, because Zanfar, maybe you can share your file to him and see, I mean, if he can understand it or not. Your final integrated file, probably. Zanfar.
okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will share him
Okay,
after the
David. So
meeting.
he will share, and you can open it in your multisim and try to understand. I mean, it's a lock-in. Basically, it's lock-in amplifier.
Yeah,
You know
yes,
that.
yes, sure.
So probably if you can get something out of it. Okay, Zanfar. Thank you very much for
Yes,
updating. For
sir.
next, yeah.
Yes, the update about the article which came the um, major revision. So I make the some points which I will share with you on a screen, so we can discuss these points and make something.
But you are saying that
If you,
you will present something.
sir, I am not prepared yet for the ultra fast laser. I am doing working on this, so there are some things which I didn't understand yet. So that's why. Give me
You,
1 week, please.
it's already many weeks, Zanfar.
Yes, yes, sir. I
You,
am stuck with the other things. That's why it's take little bit
yeah,
long. But
I'm not able to make a team. What I want to make actually. I think you are following your senior Nabil, Zanfar,
no, sir.
or
No,
Mudassar.
sir. No, sir.
You are following your senior Mudassar and Nabil.
No, sir. They are different personalities, so I didn't
So
follow them.
junior, they learn from them actually,
No,
isn't
sir.
it?
No,
No, no.
no, 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 sir.
Actually, the ultra fast lay, I think I gave you a long time back. It's not very difficult.
Sir,
At least you think is if you
sir.
present, I could tell you where you are wrong or where you can. I mean, not all the presentation in one time. You can split it into two, three, four, or whatever it is. So this was the purpose actually. Like you present oscillator only one day, you present next time the other part, and then the amplifier, and then this one. So in this way, other people will also listen, and I will teach you the things which are may help you to understand. Private meeting is different. That can also be done, no problem. But in the weekly also, if you could do it step by step, and it would help actually.
Yes, sir. You are right.
And but
Actually,
you are afraid
it's a,
so.
yes, I am afraid. You are right, sir. I am afraid. So no, you are. maybe I will present something so that will it's actually this is a platform for learning, so it's not be a shame for
Yes,
if I am saying something wrong.
yes,
So
yes.
yes, you are right.
Mhm.
Yes, I will inshallah I will next meeting I will make the presentation
This is
of
same
my
thing you said in the last meeting.
sir. I said I try.
Mhm. Mhm.
So yes,
Okay. Actually, I want more people to start work on this ultra fast stuff, but don't
so
find the
it's
people
interesting
seriously.
now, sir. I am uh, when I study first, so I not finding something special in it and not getting some interest. But when I studied and when I watched some videos, so actually the chirp amplification video, so it's motivate a lot.
Mhm.
So
Okay,
yes,
at least you get some motivation. So
yes, sir.
uh, yeah,
The
actually,
main reason, sir, that's why I
mhm,
take the big step,
mhm,
as
mhm,
you know.
mhm,
So the reason behind is just because of this. I want
mhm,
to give this full time.
mhm. You have to get you're getting late,
Yes.
and
Uh,
yeah, and I wanted actually you and one more person to work on this one, but I don't find any really dedicated kind of person yet who really wants to work on ultra fast lasers kind of stuff. Because you know that you can publish more rapidly in this one.
yes,
You
sir.
know that. You know that. Why?
Yeah,
Why did I say like this?
because you are expert. You
No,
have the
my
expertise on the
expertise
ultra.
on the other side, but because in this field there are many things yet to
Yes,
explore.
you are right.
Explore. Mm,
Yes, it's working on the different fields I studied. It's working
mm,
in the biomedical field. It's working in the
mm.
material
Yeah,
sciences.
I mean,
So
this is
there,
this. Yeah, but Zafar, this is you are saying about the application. I'm especially saying about the technology side. And now we don't have any practical or experimental lab, but in the simulation, even we can at least 2, 3 papers we can make it pretty quickly. Like one on the grating stretcher and compressor using the same lab two tools, and it can be made actually. But you are taking time. I hope you may understand sometime, someday, and yeah, you should not. I mean, follow your seniors. You know that. So Mudassar is already professor, and other one is a more bigger professor, Nabil. Okay, so then for next, what is your plan next? The next meeting now, or what do you want to do next week?
sir, next week, first I will try to wrap up the lock-in amplifier. I will share with the David,
Mhm.
so maybe we can get something out of this. And also, I will uh, present the lock-in, sorry, uh, the ultra-fast laser, the
Mhm.
components which I studied.
Yeah, you can divide it into steps. Don't present all in one presentation. Okay. Let's suppose take the oscillator and the beginning part in the first your presentation. Okay, maybe 10, 15 minutes will be okay. So 10 slides or maybe something like this. And try to make by yourself. Don't copy on the from the notes or from the book actually. Try to make by yourself on the PPT, the setup in a simple way. Okay. So
Okay,
this is
sir.
how you can understand more.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay. So thank you, Ghanfar. Fatma, you can hear us or you can say something now. My goodness. Fatma, you cannot hear or you cannot say anything or your mic problem is not solved.
I think her mic has some problem. She can hear us, but there's some problem. She has sent it the text.
Yeah, but Fatma, you need to, we need to listen to you. I mean, without it, it's not possible. Okay, anyway, I don't know. You have to fix this, Fatma, otherwise useless, this platform. Um, Fatima, actually, she wants to learn actually uh, the okay? And she was asking about, she's taking my course actually, which is ultra fast laser. And she wanted to learn the ZMAX and she start work on it. Uh,
Can you
uh,
hear me, sir?
yes, 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 sure, sure, sure,
Oh,
sure.
thank God. I've been trying to join the meeting for past
Mm.
hour for from my laptop, but I couldn't. I'm so sorry, guys. So, should I introduce myself?
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Go ahead.
Um, Hello guys, I'm Fatma Nur Bajwa from Qaid Azam University. I did my BS Physics from there. Then I worked with Dr. Rahil Ali and Professor Imrana Ashraf in optics lab for almost a year. Now I am at LUMS doing work in BAP lab. Uh, Specifically, now I've shifted to working on extending the Fuzzy spectrometer to a microscope for in TB diagnostics. And other than that, I'm also working in the fiber lab. You know how it works, and I'm learning about that. So I've joined Dr. Tayyib's um, the series, and I'm taking classes for those two, and I'm you can say I had the experience for the particle physics, and I was in that, but it was really dry for me, so I wanted to shift to optics and laser physics or photonics, something like that. And they're all like very interrelated, so I opted for this. And I'm very eager to learn, and I asked Sir Tayyab, how I can learn the ZMAX. So he told me to join the team. So I'm hoping we have good collaboration going ahead. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, Fatma, so you are working in which department in at LUMS?
Electrical engineering.
Okay, so you are working.
BAP lab.
Okay, so so you must have known about the Mudassar. Do you know the Mudassar? Do you know the Mudassar in physics department?
No, I don't. I'm new here, so
You don't know Mudassar? Ah, okay,
no, no.
okay, okay. You are new. Mhm. So you are working with what is the name of professor or something?
Dr. Imran Chima.
Ah, Imran Chima. Okay, 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 okay. Ah, okay, okay. So you are in the new project probably, which he has probably. Okay, so Fatma, as I mentioned to you, I shared some video and for the how to start this ZMAX, and you can go through that one. It's like it's for the beginners. And here we have actually David is also working on the ZMAX stuff, and you can see the name of Mudassar. Mudassar, he's one of the expert in ZMAX. He's there at LUMS actually with Dr. Sabi. Do you know the Dr. Sabi?
Yeah, I don't know Dr. Sabi.
You don't know?
I do know Dr. Sabi.
You do know.
I do.
Okay, okay. Okay. I thought you were saying you don't know. Okay, so Mudassar is his student actually. Okay, and you start from the beginning, which I shared you the link, and you can also get some help from when you come in this meeting. You can discuss the topics, and Excuse me. And you can discuss with Mudassar here and with other people. One more guy is supposed to be here. Is absent today. Nabil. So they will help you and to understand. But ultimately, it's much better for you to start a small project. You can take it from my that YouTube channel, any project. There are 2-3 videos of Mudassar and Nabil and something like this. Mudassar, are you here?
Mhm.
Mudassar, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I'm here. Yes, sir.
Why so quiet?
No, I was listening to
Okay.
you.
Okay. So you know that this, you know very well Chima Saab, huh?
Mentioned
Yeah.
producer.
Yeah.
I know she's working on a
Yeah.
TV diagnostics project.
Yes. Yes.
But,
Yes.
I think Bilal is also working on that.
Yeah, Bilal.
Yeah, Bilal. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So this Fatma Noor Bajwa is also working. You must have listened. So suggestion for you, Fatma, because you are new in optics kind of thing, then you want to learn the ZMAX. The best thing is
Mhm.
that to find out 2-3 videos from the YouTube channel which I shared and
Okay,
go
sir.
through that one. Okay.
Sure, sir. Thank you so
And
much.
yes, and you can take help from Mudassar, but don't disturb him much. He's a very busy person. He's there in the second floor. And
Okay.
sometime you can, is okay, Mudassar?
Yes, sir, it's okay.
I mean, she will
I'm
not disturb you much.
usually
I know
busy.
that you are extremely busy kind of person. So,
No,
I
it's
mean,
hard to
you,
find me sometime, but it's okay.
uh, so, I mean, we are looking for some kind of passionate people. I hope you may be like that.
Mm,
So, Fatma, you can in this meeting you can discuss and you can start the project, and you can even like we have published one very simple paper on the spectrometer.
Mm-hmm.
Mudassar is
Okay.
the first. If you start that one and try to
Mm-hmm.
reproduce the results,
Mm-hmm.
that would really help.
Sure, sir. Can you share the paper with me?
Yes, it can be shared, and yes, and with the paper you have to go through that videos. There are
Okay, sir.
three videos of Mudassar and one Nabil.
Mm-hmm.
Mudassar's one video is very basic. It was a live
Yeah.
kind of thing 2 years back, I think. And two other things are there. You can just, I mean, if you go through and try to reproduce the things what they have done, probably you will be understanding. And
Okay.
the other article I will be shared with you, and you can go through and try to reproduce, and definitely you will catch up. You have a cracked version,
Sure.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's good. And you can discuss in the weekly meeting if there is a problem, or you can also show your results as well. Okay, and it will like
Sir.
it is good for you that you will feel something to do.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Fatma. So if you want to add something, okay, you're welcome. You're welcome. So I mean, any of you would like to say anything, David, before to conclude or finish this meeting?
No, no, not from
No.
my side.
Okay. Um, did you try to find out the solution how to, I mean, like the animations in the PDF or something like this?
Uh,
David?
yes, I was trying, but
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I'm not getting
Okay.
results for the moment.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Mudassar, do you something? Do you want to add something? It's okay. Your people see your face. I mean, it's okay. No problem with the camera too. You keep it off. Who is
just
sharing?
like to, sorry.
Mhm. Who is sharing your office with you now?
One PhD student. He has done his master from Georgia Tech. He is as
Okay,
a
okay, okay,
PhD
okay.
student
Okay, okay.
from
You
his
told me.
name is Amal.
You
Yeah,
told me.
one is a postdoc.
Mm. 3 people?
One is, yeah, just shifted at the I'm two.
Mhm. Time will come and they have five people in the room for sure.
Uh, no, in my room it's difficult sometimes because I have a postdoc as well. So now it's difficult to manage someone other. But let's see.
No, who knows if they have shortage of room, they can, isn't it?
No, we don't have a lot of people in our group, as you know. A lot of people just go by, so we do not
Then why
like
do they
to,
have 3 people in that room?
because we only have these three research people because these two are basically taken by Dr. Sabi and Dr. Basit combined on some quantum biology project.
Okay, okay.
So that's why it really
Mhm,
belongs to Dr. Sabi. So that's why they just sit
mhm.
here. Otherwise, we don't have that much people left now.
Okay, okay.
That's,
So probably if you meet Fatma Noor, you can say hello hi to her, and probably if she needs some time, mostly we discuss in the
yeah,
meeting, and otherwise, yeah,
yeah, we can do that. If,
yeah,
I will see if we
yeah,
can meet.
yeah, sure, sure. Okay, so Zanfar, I mean, definitely you have something to say about your article, I think.
Yeah, I also want to talk about that.
Yes,
We have
say.
something pipe. So after okay, evening. Now I want to say optics continuum. So we whether we need to check with the Nabil. So whether he's wanna do or improve it or what. So we can think according to that because we have at least did something in non-sequential mode for that second harmonic generation setup. So if the review come from microwave, so we can put that there, or so we can think about it because I don't know. It's about more than 2 weeks of reply or why any com. We are just waiting for him because I don't. I'm little.
So probably this is what I mean, the comp stuff definitely. I mean, he's a person who would do.
Yeah.
You cannot do anything.
Yes.
And the other one, I mean, I don't know if you can do something or I cannot say anything because he's supposed to, but he's not. So what can I say?
I'm not getting time. That's why there's a little bit problem. Otherwise,
You can
that's
contact him. You can
something.
talk to him.
I will call him today or maybe tomorrow if he is available. So I will discuss with him, but just conclude the thing because time is getting past, so it doesn't have any meaningful outcomes
Because
in that way.
if he is not finishing his first paper yet, because other one will also be coming soon, I think, with the
Yeah,
comments.
that's why.
With the comments.
Yes, so there will
So
be
I mean, if he is
a
not
lot of
getting any results in the console
mm,
stuff, so you people can think what it can be done to add something more or
yeah.
something like this
Yes, we have to
without
work
making
with
much
that.
delay.
That's the point because if we are he is making too much delay, so it's just wasting the we are just wasting the time because it's already too late for him because he have to apply different way and on the for article the thing which he just mentioned in a one line. So I would talk to him. We did not talk yet, so I will discuss with him what kind of data he has now, which we can utilize or the some things they have. I don't know. Probably we are not going on in that way, like metrology. We are not doing something like that with
No,
our
no. What I mentioned
physical.
to Gazanfar that
Mm,
go ahead and answer and modify the things which you can. Okay,
yeah,
to and
yeah.
some of the thing at least to add from the comments.
Mm,
Okay, and some can be compromised. We could write something to him and rest Allah knows.
mhm.
So yeah, Gazanfar side is not having much trouble in the
Yeah,
sense that he's a kind of streamlined person. The
yeah,
problem is coming from the Nabil side.
yeah. That's the problem.
So, like Fatima was asking about that session, the webinar for the ZMAX.
Yeah.
So he was supposed to, but anyway, so that is why I asked Fatima to come and join this one. She wants to learn or something like this. So I mean, you can talk to him. It's your
Okay.
because he was saying that in the last meeting at the weekend he will update me. He will start work now on the console, and he will update me at the weekend. But he didn't write anything.
That's why I also didn't get any response. So I thought maybe he had discussed with you to do something and you gave him some task, but I don't
He
know.
was saying he will do it. He will try again that the thickness and etc. because he didn't get different results. And he said he will do it at the weekend. He'll let me know, but he didn't after that. And the same thing
Okay.
regarding the ZMAX, he was saying that he will contact you. That
But
what he suggested, it's not working in this way or whatever it is, but he didn't contact you.
Okay. Okay. Let me see. We will see that because there's the things I want someone to work on. Or I have some things in my mind related to ZMAX, but I don't have any time. I'm just working on a Dr. Fayaz stuff, so I thought if he can willing, so we can share some idea with him, so he can try, especially poison spot kind of thing. I was just thinking to try and ZMAX. Let's see what we can get, like double slit. We want to see whether we can simulate it in ZMAX or not. If yes, then we see how we can implement it. But,
Okay,
well, let's see.
Yeah, I mean, it's up to you now because I'm out of option regarding him.
Okay, I will talk to him today. Then I will see what he said, basically.
Okay, so thank you very much, all of you. So let's meet in the next meeting. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, David.
Okay.